Hi, this is Sarah at Bankert Inc., and this is video number 2 of my Bread and Butter series. So if you're here, I'm going to assume that you have your information in Intacct already, and maybe you're just coming from a different accounting software and not that familiar with Intacct, or maybe you're training somebody up and this is just going to make your life easier. You can say, here, watch these videos. I don't have time to go through this with you. Or maybe you embellished on your resume a little, and who am I to judge? But this series is just basic functionality within Sage Intacct, specifically for construction. And today I'm going to show you how to toggle between entities. So your top level is your container for all of your entities. And this is where you want to put in your information that is shared across entities. So your chart of accounts, maybe your customers, vendors, checking accounts, even some projects, they would go into your top level. And then your transaction information is entered at entity level. So if I click on this drop down here, it's going to show me all of the entities that are available. And for the purpose of this series, I'm going to be using the Shannon GC entity. So I'm just going to click on that. And here you see it opens in a brand new tab. So once I open that entity, I still have my top level available. And then my entity is opened in a new tab. So I can go between the two. If you log in and this is only showing you your entity, then that means you only have access to that entity and you don't have access to top level. So that's dependent on your permissions. Another way to access your entities is from this drop down over here on this right side. You can click on the drop down and select your entities from there, or your most recent will be here and you can just select them from there. So that's just toggling between entities, and as always, like and subscribe.